We're taking this baby over the ocean today. I'm just waiting on my buddy to come through so we can roll out. So stick around so you guys can see what I mean. Should be a fun ride today. Sheesh. Homie coming through. Damn, look at the homie right here. What's up, my boy?
That shit was long as fuck. What up, my boy?
Okay, now I'm good. I think. Yeah. Freeway from here, we're gonna catch the 605 south, and then after that it should be the 405 to the 73. It's still nice and early, it's not that hot. That's a sexy ass fool right there. Nice little M3. Oh yeah. Give a little thumbs up, bro, right here. Let's see what's up with the Stang. That thing hit a crowd already, bro. Look at this nonchalant guy. Sheesh. To the 73 south. What's up? We're clear. Oh, see, these lanes are way wider, bro. You only have to close your mirrors right here. Honestly, I have, bro, but for cars. Oh, no way, for real? Oh, let's just take it easy. Let's take it easy, proceeds to take off. Oh, look, a nice lake. Alright. No, this is not park. Next one. Next one. Let's cut this fool. Yeah, we're almost here. Oh, well, little baller area over here, huh? Look at that, bro. Seriously, bro. It's freaking, what, 8:47 in the morning, bro. Allow me to help you. No, right here, right here. Follow the Prius. Follow the Prius. Oh, it's right there, straight ahead. Look at that. So we're here, and the homie pops up right here randomly.
What's up, baby?
Look at this fool with his 300cc bike right here. Balboa. Where? Oh yeah. Oh, see, yeah, you're right. You won't pay for that? For what? The done damage you done on my bumper car. I'm gonna just turn off the bike, bro, because we're probably gonna be sitting here for a bit. Cash only. And apparently $20 bills and less. Bro, I hear you. I was about to tell you this. I was gonna tell you the same thing, bro. Mind your business if I eat shit, dog. Yeah, I got you, bro. I'm not looking, but my camera is. Yeah, over to the other side. We're about to find out. We're about to f around and find out, dog. Oh, my waving is in. Go for it. I'm gonna go in the middle because there's oil right here, bro. We didn't need shit. We're good, bro. Put my kickstand down just in case, though. Oh, this feels weird, bro. The floor's moving. What's up, dog?
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Do I just pay this man or what? Or do I pay him over there? I guess we pay him over there. Alright.
What?
I guess we pay the man over there. Hey, I'm getting back on the bike, bro. Hey, just wave at them and be like, hey, don't know you guys.
What's up, dog?
What's up, bro?
No, with the camera.
Oh, okay, okay.
Small hot dog, $5.
For us three?
For him too. So that's 5, 7, 25.
25?
7.25. Yeah.
All that? I have a 50. Can I give you a 50?
No, I can't.
No?
I have to have a. Yeah. 20,
here
20
you
or
go.
below. Thank you, sir. So we said 7.25, right? Alrighty. So that is 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Yep.
Fuck quarters.
Yeah, bro. No one likes quarters. For real. Damn, bro. Sick ass room. Hey, bro, you're supposed to be healthy. You're supposed to be riding all the way around. Hey, imagine we didn't pay him. He'd just like leave us on the boat.
Supposed to be riding, but I took a shortcut.
Lazy ass fool. Oh, look at that guy. No, I think we were on the island. Yeah. I know, right? Hey, yeah, that was pretty cool.
Thank you very much. We'll see you.
Go ahead. We didn't eat it. Like Sasquatch. Yeah, you wanna get something to eat, bro? I'm kinda hungry. What is this burrito around here, though? Let's check it out. My boy with the Ducati. But look at his phone case, though. What is that, bro?
A sandwich.
A sandwich. My boy got a 5K helmet. But look at that phone case, though. Alright, my boy. Later. I don't even know how you made it this far, bro.
50 miles, bro.
That's wild. Some usher? Alright, bro.
Later.
Ride safe, brother. For real.